Bekle kayıt bekle. Şişe kayıt.
Got it close enough to bed.
Across the road just there.
Yeah.
Why not cross it at the lights? What a bloody idiot.
What's he doing there?
Take Triple M Classic Rock Digital to go. Now your fix of classic rock is in your pocket. Download the Triple M app and choose Triple M Classic Rock Digital.
A nice cold cracking and fried will go perfectly with whatever you've got cooking on the barbie. Pre-mixed cracking black spiced round bar quality served at home. Drink responsibly.
Tools! Sydney Tools Boxing Day sale is on this Saturday. Get 20% bonus credit for every $500 spent. Sidwell, Auto Targeting Rolling.
It's one way! Go. One way, you fucktard!
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Excuse me, madam.
Pressure.
Fuck me. How about fuck you? Serious, man. You cannot be serious.
Got you right away. Fine, this weekend.
Start recording emergency video.
It is.
No, bashed it.
Oh, I was saying that some of the autos in them were really shit, alright? So I'd recommend that manual. What the
shit!
Nice, very, very nice. Dickhead. That's not illegal, mate. You just overtake on the left.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
And then it was hilarious, so they ended up actually wrapping Steve's car in Air Canada, like Tech Steve 4848. Gus came up behind in the budget chicken costume and freaked the fuck out of Steve. It was amazing. I did.
Wow.
Oh my god, he wanted a
And he
overtook him to
on
get
a
the parking
double
spot.
line, a double wide line.
Oh, what a cunt.
What a dick.
Okay, let's gonna go dash cams.
Yeah.
Motherfucker.
Baby, you're the best.
I don't think this Mazda's going to pay much attention. What the fuck are you doing? Jesus Christ. Straight through a red light. Oh, fuck you. Not a chance, pal. You stupid idiot. Not gonna happen. You idiot. Can you believe this complete arsehole just trying to force their way in? Total idiot. Look at this moron. Fucking hell. That way. Moron.
And then there are people who continue this lie, a Sean Hannity, a Rush Limbaugh, a Ted Cruz.
Fucking idiot.
Many more, Jim.
Are you fucking kidding me? Forget that it's an illegal U-turn over double whites and a real bad fucking spot to be doing it. You don't even want to actually make sure there's not a fucking car about to slam into you when you do it, you... fuck? What the?
Today, so the day after New Year's, yesterday, as the crow flies. I haven't talked to you. I'm up early as I am every day. But
yeah, someone just got fucked. See that cop car flying down that road? And he sits up on that bridge. I'll put a little screenshot. Sits up on that bridge all the time. And waits for someone to come past, you know, doing 100, 110 in the 80 zone, and then goes and has some fun giving that one a ticket. Go. He just left an indicator. It's a, oh no. Yeah, I know that look. He's poor guy in high vis doing the scratching the beard, doing the head rub, like, ah, fuck, this is going to cost me a lot of money.